This is Samsung Galaxy A30S, and today I'll show how you can copy your contacts from SIM card to the device's internal storage. So to start, you will need to find and launch the Contacts app. Then here, tap at this three dots, or actually at this three lines rather. Go into Manage Contacts interface, then open the Import or Export Contacts. Select the Import Contacts option, then select the SIM card you would like to import your contacts from, and then select what contacts you would like to move. Now select the destination for your contacts. In our case, it will obviously be phone. Then tap at the Import button, wait for this process to elapse, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.